5:58 a.m.
Butter.
It's almost 6.
Gravity.
No, it is. It's already 6:27. Yeah, we're
Football
almost at 1
Mike.
o'clock in the morning here.
Pancakes.
This
Utility.
site we're on here,
Waffles.
it's called PageRank Cafe.
Egg sandwich.
You can surf on it by clicking an ad, by clicking a headline that you see down below on the ad board. You would click it. We'll do it in a minute. I'll show you what I put on here. But all you do is build up credits, and then you can add your own ad down below like this. But you have to build up some credits first by doing a little bit of surfing. Then you just put your ad down here, and then it just moves down the line and falls off. Just like this is how ad boards work. Okay. So the headline I came up with for mine tonight was "Secret Way to Promote Your Offer," to try to, generate interest in this link. So if you click the link, so here's what I've done is put my Traffic Odyssey page, my rebrandable curated guide to premium traffic and marketing tool. This page is curated by me. Here's a little description. Over here is my recommended program, which is right now I'm promoting Lead Lightning. And then what I do is inside Lead Lightning, I promote the GDI rotator team. So it's a triple thing. Because first I'm promoting Traffic Odyssey, then Lead Lightning, and then inside that is the GDI rotator team. But not only that, this page here also helps me promote Leads Leap and World Profit, which are marketing tools, and then some of my best traffic sources, which would be Click Voyager, Herculist, Hungry for Hits, and Buckets of Banners. So, and you can do all that. You can get your own branded Traffic Odyssey page, all free. So we're not selling anything here, just showing free resources that are available. If you want to get this through me, if you want to be part of what I'm doing, just message me and I'll get you a link for something. But we're not really selling on this video. We're showing things. So we're showing the PageRank Cafe. This is the ad that I placed on there tonight. And then if at the top here, it says View Next Site. So you just click that. That's how you surf on PageRank Cafe. We're going to wait 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, there we go. We added one view credit to your account. Then you can just click again, View Next Site. You just wait for the timer. It's only 3 seconds. Something. Click again. Let's see. 5 seconds. So it goes really fast. 2, 1, bam, already to the next one. View it again. That's all you do is keep waiting for the timer and then click where it says View Next Site. Bam. And then you don't have to do this too much. Just do it a little bit and then I'll show you at the top. Over here it says Available Post 2. So right now, just with a few clicks or whatever, I'm available for 2 posts where I can go in and make that post like I showed you a minute ago. Links remaining 10. So they might cap it at like a certain amount so that you don't have to stay here long. Let me see if that went down. Yeah, links remaining 8. So basically you can just keep clicking till your links are not remaining. And that way you've done them all, but it doesn't take but a few minutes. Here we're down to 7. Click it again. We're going to look at a splash page that I made on Traffic Odyssey. And I'll show you a little bit about the splash page builder that they have on that website. We'll do that in a minute here. I'll show you the other ad boards that I used tonight too. I put my Traffic Odyssey page on 3 different ad boards. So I'll show you the other 2 in a minute. What are we down to? 5. Oh man, the coffee is empty, but it is 1 o'clock in the morning. Then what else? Oh, I sent a message to them as well, like a support ticket. I'll show you why once we get in the page builder, splash page builder, because I think I found a glitch. So I sent a message. They already fixed one thing that I told them, because it was logging me out. Like I'd be sitting there working on something, like a page on there or something, and I'd be right in the middle of working on something and it would log me out. And so there was a lot of times when I was first setting things up on that site where it would do that and then I would have to start all over again. So sometimes I'd be frustrated with that and just close the computer and like just do it tomorrow, because you spend all this time working on this and then it just logs you out. So I told them about that problem and they actually fixed it. They said it was a glitch. They were glad I told them about it. And then they set that function for like 1 or 2 hours or something now. So you won't have that problem. But many people were probably having that problem, and I was. That was weird. My whole screen just went white. Did you notice that? I wonder when it does stuff like that if somebody's like grabbing a screenshot. You know what I mean? Freak you out. Now it says links remaining 10, but so it kind of started over. So we're just done with this because we got 3 available posts right now. So we're gonna close window. Then we're gonna go look. This is a site called Free Ad Blasts. So I placed an ad here tonight too with the same website, the Traffic Odyssey website. And what I came up with is a headline on Free Ad Blasts. I put, "It's not a crime to click here." So if somebody thinks it's not a crime to click here, they'll click it. And we'll see my Traffic Odyssey page. Get your own page like this. Show me how. So that's what we did. It's not a crime to click here. That's what I used. We also went to freeadboards.com. Free website advertising. Show your website to the world. Thousands of people all over the world visit our free ad boards. Total free ad board sites, 7,313. 7,313. That's how many sites. This member site is Mike. It's mine. Then you can customize the ads like around the edges and stuff. And then everybody's like sharing this board and promoting it. So that means like right now there's 7,313 of these boards out there. And then everybody, like when you place an ad, it just, like any of these, it just pushes them down. So my ad will fall off eventually, but it'll move its way down as people put new ads on. And then you just got to write something that you hope people might click. So what you could do is like buy a set of headlines or subject lines that people like to click on, or you can just make them up. You don't want to lie about anything though, or you can just make it vague and intriguing. So what I did on this one, I put this, that, and everything else. If we click it, we go to my Traffic Odyssey page, your rebrandable curated guide to premium traffic and marketing tools. Experimental artist and musician, internet marketing and computer tech. This guy likes coffee. Hey, it's Mudball Mike, and he makes videos too for writings. Videos, podcasts, see Anixas, ANIXAS.substack.com. Where the page went. Where is it? There it is. Here's the page I made, the splash page that I made on Traffic Odyssey. It says a grand bargain, insane cheap traffic offer for $1. Get 25 guaranteed clicks to any 3 URLs. Get your own personal rotator with only your links on it. Just submit your link, job done. No tech skills are required. Does work in any niche. URLs will get at least 25 clicks, but likely a lot more. Your first name, your email address, 1 click to go. So that's what I did. Somebody clicks that. Let's see if I left it up. All for $1. I think it's that one. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. So this is the offer I'm promoting. It's an offer on Warrior Plus that somebody can actually buy for $1. So I mean, just about anything's worth $1. So if you want to try and see if you can get some sort of traffic for your URL of your choice, all for just $1. I mean, it is real that you do get that. So this is just for a test page. Where'd it go? Just for a test using the Traffic Odyssey page builder, splash page builder or whatever. You got this. And this is connected with another website called Leads Leap. And my box is here with the first name and email address. Comes through Leads Leap. So they're interconnected. You can use them together. If you look here, I'll show you. Possibly. Yeah. So here's what it is. This is like the page cradle splash builder. We're looking at Traffic Odyssey website, and that we're inside it. So if you have a membership or whatever, they're free. You come in here to the page builder. Okay, page cradle. See, they have splash builder, HTML uploader, and prompt library. We're just looking at splash builder. You got your page settings, your page name, and your URL slug. Down here you got different templates. So we can do feature grid, lead capture, hero plus CTA, animated border, glow frame, and staggered reveal. Each one of those has a little description under it. It'll tell you what it does. What we're interested in is making a lead capture page. So we would fill out these 2 things. Click down here for, maybe do this first. Click lead capture because that's what we're dealing with, okay? So there, built that a little bit. Up here, we would then put page name and URL slug. Now, pay particular attention to this one that says URL slug. Underneath it, in very light letters, it says lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens only. No spaces, slashes, or URLs. Okay? The first one of these that I made, I accidentally put spaces in the slug. So I had my title, I had my slug, but it was messed up because it had spaces. I was on lead capture. I come down here, filled all this out, headline, subheadline, bullet points. And how I did that is I just went to this page and I just actually copied these bullet points. And there was some of I reworded some of these and left some out or whatever, but that is what I did for my bullet points. So that's the easy way to do that. So you just find your offer, get your bullet points. If there is no bullet points listed like that, then you would just like throw the page into ChatGPT or something and say, I need a list of bullet points. Grab those, copy it in here. Same with the headline and subheadline. If you can't think of that or you don't want to steal the ones that are on that page, you could have an AI analyze whatever offer you're selling and tell it to spit out a headline and a subheadline, right? So then you got the CTA button text, which is call to action. So what I put is join free now, but you can customize that whatever you want. You could say hit this hard, hit me now, whatever. You put just whatever you want on your button. Down here is the send steed leads leap form HTML. So what you do is you go onto the Leads Leap website, which is also a free product. You create an email list on there, and then once you have your list created, there's a place to get your HTML code for the form. So you just copy that, bring that back over here, and just paste it right in this box. Then you can say what size of font you want. You got your choice of small, normal, and large. So we have it on normal. Then you can adjust these colors. So right now it's on Pittsburgh Steelers colors, black and gold. But you could put it on any team you want, or any kind of color scheme. All you would do is click this, click the color red or whatever you want. Come back here, hit some blue. See, now my button's blue. Now it's purple. Color, now it's blue. Now it's gray. Now it's green. Now it's bright green. So we'll just leave it bright green. Then we'll have a red accent. So put a headline. Hear me loud. Join free now. Hear me loud. Put your first name and email address. Get a free ebook. So my battery's about to die. That's what that says. I gotta plug this thing in.